the topic that I would be talking today would be the new tool of social media marketing. So what it is all about, the social media marketing. So what is actually marketing? Marketing you can define as Dr. Mathur has also told us, that it is basically connecting with your target audience at the right time, at the right place. Okay, so we have three components here: target audience, at the right time, at the right place. Now, what are various tools for the marketing? The one which is offline, which you can see every day in your newspapers, you can see the headings in the radio and the television. And one is that is we can see as we do the camps, we basically put the pamphlets, and there is a home to home campaign. This is called offline marketing, and the newspaper, radio, and TV, these are called ATLs, that are the above the line. And the one which is basically done with the camps, pamphlets, they are called BTL, that is below the line. What is the online type of marketing? The most important of them, which I would be talking about, is here, that is social media marketing. We have two more tools, which are the search engine optimization. I'm just going to briefly tell you what is the meaning of search engine optimization. Let's say you write in the Google, best place to get a LASIK surgery done. So you have 10 choices that the Google shows it. So if your hospital is coming at the first choice, the patient would basically click on the first button. Okay, so this is the search engine optimization. You can basically increase your views, you can increase your ranking whenever someone basically scrolls you on the Google. And then we have the messengers, like you have the Facebook Messenger, Instagram also, where you can also go to the click link and then it redirects you to your site or your app. Now, why the online platforms are must? I'm not going into the too much details of the numerics. Just remember here is that it gives you a competitive edge. A patient would be more likely to visit an eye hospital or any facility. Let's say you want to go for a movie. You have two movies at the same time. So one movie which has got 50,000 likes and the review is 4.9, you are more inclined to see that movie as compared to the one which has got a 2,000 likes and a 4.2 review. So that is why taking a review from your customer or your patient is very important. Let's say I have done 1 lakh surgeries in my hospital. In the 1 lakh surgeries in my hospital, the 90,000 of my patients are now happy patients. Now in 90,000 of the patients, I have taken reviews of the 10,000 of my patients. Now this is so much important. I have taken 10,000 reviews. Another hospital who has also done 1 lakh surgeries but has taken only 1,000 reviews. So when I visit a site of a hospital, I would see 10,000 reviews of one hospital. Definitely, I would go to that hospital. So that's why it is very important, because it would give you a edge over the others. Now, what are the objectives of the marketing? It makes you aware or your customer aware of your product, what you are selling. It basically helps you to promote the brand. It generates the interest and the lead. It leads to the conversion and finally to the footfall. Okay, so these are the objectives of the social media marketing. Now there are lots of ways through which we can do a social media marketing. We have the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and lots of tools for the social media marketing. Now within 2 minutes, I would be just telling you what to post on the social media. You can basically post the informative campaigns, like what are the new things in the cataract surgery, what are the things which the child can do so that the eyesight does not increase or the myopia does not increase. Then you can send your services, that if you are having a robotic cataract surgery, you are having a diabetic specialist, you are having a squint specialist. So these are your services you can put. You can also put, if you want to hire someone, let's say we are hiring an optometrist, you can basically put the wishes or the festivals there, and you can also tell about the achievements. Very, very important here is this one. Please see this slide and see testimonials. Testimonials by your patients, that is so much important for you. It is not only views that are important, it is the engagement also that is important. What is the difference between the views and the engagements? Views is that you scroll and you see that, okay, Sharpsight Group of Eye Hospital or XYZ Eye Hospital is having a glaucoma awareness program. Engagement is you click on the link and you see what is happening. Now the testimonials, the videos, and the live sessions, they basically help you in getting more engagements. Okay, so that's why it is very important. Not only views, it is the engagements and the clicks that are also important. What are the tips? It should be very short. Your Whenever you put a advertisement on your any social media, it should not be something that you have put around 50 words there, 5 slides there, lots of words there. It should be short, concise, and it always should have a detail of where to contact. Let's say I have basically put an advertisement of femto cataract, but I have not written where to get a cataract surgery done. If you want to get a cataract surgery done, where you have to basically contact. So your site, your app, your phone number should be clearly visible. Then the profile should be complete. Whenever you are having a page, let's say you are having a Facebook page of a eye hospital, it should have the Google map there, it should have the number there, it should be basically having what is the timing of the opening of the institute, and it also should have okay. So these are some important things which you want whenever
Vineet, Dr. Vineet, you still have 1 minute. Go on.
Okay, whenever you want to basically go for the online marketing. Now, how to do more engagement? As I told you, you have to basically respond to the audience queries. Let's say if a patient have asked, sir, what is the price of the femto cataract in your eye hospital? So you write that, sir, we are having the cheapest price with the best machine available in the North India. So responding to the audience queries is very important, and always remember that use more attractive and the useful content. Okay, so that would make more engagements that are there in your Facebook page or on your social media page. What are the advantages of the social media marketing? It is cheaper, it has higher reach, it can retarget, and what is very important is you should be having a dedicated team who is doing the social media marketing. So more you do it fast, the better you would be ahead of your competitors. Okay, only thing is, before I end my talk, to avoid social media marketing, you spread yourself too thin. You do not basically go on what the patients want. You basically sell your product more than the service that is needed by the audience. And also, if you are not having a style and tone that is needed by the channel. With this, I end my session. Thank you very much, Kamal sir, and everyone in the AIOC to basically give me the opportunity to present this. Thank you.